I am loving these Motrobe wheel covers. This is my Tesla Model Y 2021. You may have a different year, but the main thing is just make sure you get your wheel size correctly. These are the 19 inches. I am blown away by these. My first thought was, I hope they don't look cheap. And they do not look cheap. I love the matte finish, the design. I mean, it's really great. There's actually 8 other styles to choose from, but these are the Cyclones, and I absolutely am so thrilled about them. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of review, and I'm gonna tell you honestly right now, 2 of my best friends have already texted me and said, this week, and said, dude, did you get new wheels? Not did you get new wheel covers or hubcaps, did you get new wheels? I mean, it fooled my best friends. So, all right, let me just show you some stuff. All right, this is on a road trip. Shortly after we put them on, we're at a charging station, and I'm gonna show you right when you get to the very, very top of it. Like, you don't see any silver anywhere. I mean, yeah, you see the brakes popping through, but you don't see any silver until you get right over top of it. So yeah, they are wheel covers, got it. Perfect. And at this price, it's amazing. All right, now let me show you kind of how it works. So you can see the matte finish, love that. This is the little foam strip that comes with it. What I chose to do, and I believe I did it the right way, is I ran this along the back side, all the way around the edge. And I believe that's protecting the wheel. Also, it's helping it fit more snugly, probably taking away some of that creaking sound that you get even with the Aero wheels, hubcaps that come with the Tesla. So anyway, I put that around there. I think you could even add some more if you wanted to. And then this is the little final touch, little Tesla emblem that you can adhesive to the center, and that's it. Now, I've been on 2 road trips now, run with them for about 3 weeks, and it's not falling off. I don't think it's gonna fall off. In fact, these are really snug. I mean, like, the whole thing snaps in like 7 or 8 different places, and then that center part pops in super strong. I am not worried about these things falling off. All right, again, just kind of talking you through this. There's the difference between the original without and then the black. So good looking. I haven't put the Tesla emblem in the middle of that one yet, and there's that top part again. So you can see that's the one thing. If that bugs you, then you may need to get all new wheels, which will cost you 20 times the amount. So anyway, let's look at it again. I'll show it to you in the sun, show it to you in the shade. Man, I'm just so pleasantly surprised. I mean, again, my thoughts were, I don't want these to look cheap. They do not look cheap. I also was kind of curious about the sound. You know, like whenever you have your Aero wheels, they kind of creak and they pop. The foam cuts down on that. It still does a little bit of popping, but I think if I added a little bit more foam in strategic places, I could probably eliminate that altogether. But then again, the others that came with the car do the same thing. So it's not perfect. I mean, you're not buying wheels, you're buying wheel covers. And so I'm more than pleased. So again, I'm just showing you that. That's probably the one thing that might bug a few people, but seeing that silver, but not me. So anyway, let me rewind to the beginning. Let me just tell you, I love them. I love them. I love them. These were sent to me for an honest review. I was so happy to get them. This is my honest review. Our car has a completely different look, and I'm fooling friends left and right.